you ever failed to take care of that one thing that you were responsible for, and as a result, you have to start over? Yeah, that's me with my hair. Now what I'm suffering from is really short, I don't even want to call it fronts or edges, whatever you want to call it. So a quick history on my hair. I never really got a big chop to begin with because I went from having hair to cutting my hair and dyeing it blonde. So it wasn't necessarily because I wanted to have healthier natural hair. It's just because I wanted short blonde hair. So I bleached my hair tremendously for about, I would say probably like 2 years. And then after that I was like, you know what, it's getting like really damaged and it's getting really brittle, so maybe I should stop bleaching it. So I stopped bleaching it. I cut off all the blonde. I guess you can call that a big chop, I guess. So that was around 2014, and I started growing out my hair. I never really cut it out completely. I just cut off the blonde and I stopped bleaching it. Now fast forward to, I don't know, my hair was doing really well until I guess a year ago or a year and a half ago. I kind of stopped taking care of it. I stopped spending money on products because, you know, the life of a wigger, you start wearing wigs, you forget that your hair actually needs to be taken care of. And my hair just kind of like went downhill. And fast forward to this year during the summer, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go get my hair trimmed. So I got my hair trimmed. I got my hair treated at a natural hair salon. They did amazing. My curls were popping. They said, Ral, make sure you wash your hair once a week. Fast forward, here we are in October of 2018. And my hair is very damaged. I just came back from Thailand, so I have had my hair in braids for a very long time. I'm not even gonna tell you guys how long because that's just very disgusting. If you fail to take care of your hair, you're pretty much in the same predicament as me. Today, we are doing the official first big chop, but I guess you can call it my second chop. And we're going to actually start taking care of our hair when we're meant to take care of our hair. I'm pretty much going to try to cut my hair as low as this. I don't know if I'm gonna go that low, but we'll see how it goes. Honestly, I've never really cut my hair like big chop by myself before, so just pretty much going to go with it and wing it. I don't even know where to start. I guess, do I really even want a towel? I feel like the towel is just annoying, so I'm gonna take it off. But I gotta do sections. I'm gonna do the front first. This is gonna hurt like a mo because it's gonna be detangling first. Whew. You know how they say never detangle your hair while it is dry. Whew. Look at the breakage. And this is why I'm cutting my hair. Just gonna spritz it. Have it pretty wet. Oh shit. Okay, maybe I do need the towel after all. Wow, this is a hot mess. Okay. Spritz. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of conditioner in it. Let's put conditioner. See, it's still breaking. This is why we're letting it go. First cut. I don't even know where to start. I guess this is the shortest for the front. So I guess we're going to eyeball it with that. Okay. Woo, all right. That was a little nerve-wracking, not gonna lie. Yeah. This is crazy. Oh shit. All right, let's cut the front. This is probably the most unhealthiest part of my entire hair. For so long, I think I held on to having length over healthy hair. This is me now choosing healthy over length. This is probably the biggest chop part. I am not my hair. I am not my hair. I got a cut initially in August. She gave me like a diva cup. I'm sorry, not a diva cup. let's try this again. Basically, when I got a cut back in August, she gave me a diva cut. So I'm trying to see if I can maintain that shape. So basically, it's kind of like a V, like a heart. That's pretty much why I'm going the way I'm going. I cannot even see the back of my hair, to be very honest with you. So I need to like go back. Ooh, ooh, and recut after. Oh, that hurts. So the fronts are really this short, so I want to retain that length. Oh. So right now I'm basically, like I said, trying to shape it like a diva cut. I'm not a haircut person. I'm not a hair cutter, a barber, whatever you want to call them. But I'm just trying my best. And this is also my very first time really ever cutting my hair. So, by myself, that is. So, I'm trying my very best here. I have pretty much finished cutting it and styling it to my best of ability. I try to retain the diva, I keep saying diva cup. I try to retain the diva shape of the haircut. So this is it now. I'm pretty happy with it. I played around with the parting, like if I wanted to have it here or if I wanted to have it here, if it's gonna make any difference, and it looks fine both ways. So this is the back. So now I'm going to go wash it because, bro, this is like, okay, I'm actually gonna be very honest with you guys. I haven't washed my hair in like 2 months. Don't judge me, please. Don't judge me. It was braided down and wig life was life, so, which is bad, which is why I'm in this condition right now. So even if I do wigs in the future, I'm going to promise myself to at least wash my hair once a week or at least twice a week. So this is everything that I cut off. Wow, that's a lot of hair. That's actually a lot of hair. Anyway, let me go wash my hair. It has to be washed. It has to be conditioned and deep conditioned because it's dirty. All right, see you guys soon. Finally finished washing it. I deep conditioned it and I used a gel. Wow, I said I was gonna show the products on here. Damn it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the products I used. Okay. Here. Hopefully not break anything. Okay. Alright. I'm back. To wash my hair, I use the Also Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo by Aunt Jackie, and this is pretty good. I use Aunt Jackie here and there, and I really like them. So that's the shampoo I used, and the conditioner. Whew, still out of breath. I need to hit the gym. I literally just jumped over, and I'm already out of breath. Anyway, I use the In Control Anti-Poof Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner to condition my hair. I left this long to be a deep conditioner, so that's pretty much what I used. And after that, pretty much spritzed my hair with more water, and then I added a leave-in conditioner. Nothing special, just the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. This I would advise, if you're doing it, just add a little, because as you guys can see, because I'm letting my hair air dry, it's been about like 2 hours since I washed and styled it, because I had to do my makeup and I had to eat and, you know, life. So it's been about 2 hours. You can still see the wet residue of the Cantu leave-in conditioner, and that's just because my hair does not absorb products, especially these type of products, pretty fast. So it's gonna take some time to go away. So that's the leave-in conditioner that I put in, and after that I used the, okay, that did not get destroyed. After that, I used the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly to basically define my curls. And this is my first time using this. I usually use TGIN, but again, that's more so like a, it kind of looks like the leave-in conditioner. It has a white residue. And again, like I said, my hair does not really absorb things, so I did not want to bother with that. And that's pretty much all I did to my hair. And then I did my makeup so I can look presentable, because I looked like, you know, a bum at the beginning of the video. So that's pretty much my second big chop. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a while for sure since I filmed last, so I'm a little crusty. So hope Hope you guys enjoy it, and I will definitely, most definitely see you guys in my next video. And also, oh, by the way, yes, I have a makeup page on Instagram, which is MakeupbyLoveglam. But then also, I finally decided to open up my personal Instagram to the public so that everyone can follow me on there. Especially if you want to catch up on my Thailand trip. In the meantime, as I edit this vlog of mine, that will eventually go up. So my personal Instagram, I am rebranding it into a lifestyle Instagram. So it is Ral.Onyes. I'm gonna link it below as well as on the screen if possible. So please check it out, follow that as well. It's more so like showcasing my life and everything, because Makeup by Loveglam is more so showcasing, like, I do makeup, I take photo, and then I do a client's makeup and I take photo, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, I feel like I'm talking too much now. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's been a while, I'm so sorry, but I'm here, I promise. I know I keep saying that, I promise, but I'm just here. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna say bye. See you guys in my next video.